Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to make Squarespace template. Well, to make a Squarespace templates, here's what you're going to do. First, go to your browser. Then in here, go to squarespace.com. Then you can see now the interface of Squarespace. Now, click on the login button and log into your account. Then after that, click Build Your Own Template at the bottom right corner. Click Let's Go. Enter your site name. Then add pages. Customize your colors. Then choose your fonts. And that's how to make Squarespace templates. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.